What is clustering and how do you use it in Tableau? In order to demonstrate clustering in Tableau, we're going to need to build a scatter plot. Let's drag sales to columns and profit to rows. That's going to give us one mark on a scatter plot. In order to expand that out to all the marks available in the data, let's click on Analysis and uncheck Aggregate Measures. We have a scatter plot. In order to cluster these marks, I'm going to click on the Analytics pane, drag Cluster to the middle of the screen. Tableau is automatically going to cluster by the two measures that are in the view and give an automatic number of clusters. I can adjust this by either adding measures, removing measures, or changing the number of clusters. In this case, I have 5 clusters based on sales and profit. I can describe the cluster as well and see the model that's used to build it. If I click on Clusters dropdown and click Describe Clusters, I get a summary of the model and information used to build the clusters. Behind the scenes, it is a k-means model. Hope this helps.